So this may be one of the most distinctive blenders on the market right now. It has a built-in twist tamper and the whole system looks seriously high-tech. So let's unbox it and see what we get in here. Is it really worth it or is it just a cool design? Today we're unboxing the Ninja TWISTi Duo. I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit blender series. First, we've got the quick start guide and the instruction manual. We recommend flipping through them before you use it because this blender may work a little differently than most standard blenders. And next, we've got the motor base, and it feels really solid and compact on our counter. And on the front, you got the control panel with 5 one-touch programs, so you can use extraction, smoothies, frozen smoothies, spreads, and bowls to make many recipes without guessing. Now here's the main blending container. It's 34 ounce and you can tell right away it's made from quality materials. And this is the lid. It snaps on securely and the top isn't flat like a normal lid. That's because the twist tamper is built right into the lid. And it's very easy to attach the lid to the container. Just align the red part to the red line on the handle and then twist to lock it in. So when you're blending something thick, instead of stopping the blender to strap down the sides, you twist this tamper and it pushes the ingredients down into the blades. Now, let's look at the blade system. It's sharp, heavy duty and designed for high-speed crushing. And you can see it's pretty similar to other Ninja blenders. And what's nice is you can use it with the main pitcher and you can also use it with these single serve cups right here. Screw it on like that. Lock it into the base and you're ready to blend. And these smaller cups are perfect for quick smoothies or shakes when you don't want to wash the whole pitcher. Finally, there are 2 spout lids so you can blend straight in the cup, twist on a lid and take it with you on the way. Or you can also pop it in the fridge if you want to save it for later. Okay, now we will turn the blender on to see how this process works. And now we will blend some fresh ingredients to see how this blender performs. But before your first use, don't forget to clean all the components with soapy water. Alright, first impression, this blender has serious power. Its motor stays strong the entire time and the base didn't slide around during the process. It's pretty loud, but that's expected when you have this much power. We also love how easy it is to use. You just press the preset you want and it starts immediately. There's no learning curve, so it's easy even if you never used a Ninja before. As for the result, it came out exactly how we wanted, smooth, even, and totally enjoyable. So this is just our first impression of this blender. We'll test it and evaluate its details soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. And if you're interested in this blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below. For other choices, you can check out our Shouldit blender series. Thanks for watching Shouldit and see you the next time.